Hello everyone, now demonstrate saw blade inclination adjustment via Jingyan DXL360S Digital Inclinometer. Press 0 to enter relative mode for measurement. Then move it onto the saw blade. Check bubble level to confirm correct placement. Now adjust the inclination of the saw blade. Jingyan DXL360S Digital Inclinometer with strong magnetic base directly attaches to saw blades. Displays tilt angle in real time synchronously. Perfect tight fit for 45 degrees miter joints. Suitable for woodworking and metal cutting, doubling working efficiency.